Gently pull back the door gasket. Insert the screws into the holes behind the gasket. Place the handle on the outside of the glass door. Secure it with the 2 screws provided. Short press the power button to turn on the unit. Press the temperature zone button to select the upper or lower compartment. Use the plus and minus buttons to set your desired temperature. Each press changes the temperature by 1 Fahrenheit. The upper zone ranges from 41 to 54 Fahrenheit, and the lower zone from 54 to 68 Fahrenheit. Touch the temperature unit button to switch the temperature unit between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Touch the light button to turn on or turn off the LED light. Press and hold the plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds. All buttons will be locked. Press the 2 buttons for 3 seconds again to exit the child lock mode. Long press the power button to turn off the unit. If the wine cooler isn't cooling as expected, touch the side panel to check if it's warm. If it doesn't, please contact the after-sales service team.